I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the correct virtual audio cable installer and running it as administrator. This ensures drivers register correctly. Once done, reboot if the installer asks, because the audio stack needs restarting. After reboot, open your system sound settings and confirm a new playback and recording device labeled as the virtual cable exists. You do this now so routing steps later are available. Without that device visible, you cannot map applications. If it's present, move on to configuring app outputs and cable channels. Now you route sound from sources into the virtual cable. In each app's audio preferences, choose the virtual cable as the output device. This sends that app's audio into the virtual bus. Once done, use the OS app volume mixer to control levels and ensure multiple apps can feed the same cable without mutual interference. Next, in the receiving program, like a VoIP client or DAW, select the virtual cable as the input device so it captures the mix stream. Doing this ties the signal path end to end. Finish by setting up monitoring and fine-tuning latency so audio is stable and audible. Open the virtual cable's control panel to enable playback monitoring to your speakers or headphones. This lets you hear what's routed. Then adjust buffer size or sample rate to eliminate clicks and reduce latency. Lower buffers reduce delay but risk artifacts. If you encounter silence, make sure no app holds exclusive mode, and confirm all devices use the same sample rate. Changing those usually resolves routing failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.